You've been busted. You've been asking some bad questions. How do we know? Because we've got the data. What you've been asking of ChatGPT about your Shopify store, and we've sorted those really bad questions from the lowest volume to the highest volume. Guys, ChatGPT can be a super powerful tool, but fool with a tool is still a fool. Crap in, crap out. So let's go through those questions that please don't ever ask if you've asked before. Let's go one by one.
First up, Silvia, is make my Shopify store successful.
What a stupid question. Like, guys, if it was just so easy, make my Shopify store successful with 5 bullet points.
That's like a genie. It's like asking the genie to
the
magic wand.
I will be just like, next. Okay, what's the easiest way to make money with Shopify? If you're looking for easy money, please don't go into e-commerce, don't go into business at all. Get a job and just get some overtime. That's the easiest way to make money.
If you're looking for passive income, I hear so many times I hear people say things like, hey, I'm day trading, crypto, starting a passive e-commerce business, side hustle.
Yeah.
But like if you're looking for quick, easy buck, e-commerce is not the vehicle.
No, like
get
rich quick scheme. I've never seen a legit get rich quick scheme that will be long lasting, profitable, creating an asset.
Yes, and we're about building a brand and building a business. Yes.
Period.
Great.
Okay, can
Next
I
one.
copy competitors' Shopify store? No,
Well,
that's
you
illegal,
you could,
unethical.
but exactly what you just said.
Pam.
Yes.
Next one. Give me winning products on Shopify. Are you freaking serious? Like these AI tools, yes, they can gather information and they can create some insights, but honestly, just as of now, they cannot predict the future. They don't have a crystal ball.
Maybe coming soon, but not right now.
But not right now.
All right, next one. How can I make my Shopify store go viral? I want it to go viral.
Okay, go viral. And passively, the best way, yeah?
Yeah.
But anyway, if you want to...
Just let the AI do it and I won't do anything.
Yeah, I won't do anything.
In fact, I'm going to go on vacation for 3 months and come back and the store has just gone viral by itself.
Yeah.
That would be the best.
How about you get to know your customer first and you find out what your customer really wants and needs and you give it to them. That's how you can go viral.
And you build a traffic marketing strategy plan and...
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you go from there.
Great.
Can ChatGPT run my entire store for you? No. That's no, not yet. And I would just go next question.
Just on that, AI is a tool to help you. It's not an employee yet. Yeah.
Yes. And even if it is, you're going to have to train the employee and you're going to have to know what task you want to delegate it and you're going to have some processes in place. So, pam.
Next one, how do I make an AI chatbot write my Shopify emails?
Yes.
Well, you can get it to help you, but I don't know if you've tried doing this so far, the responses that you get on the first go usually are not so great. So I think it's amazing as an idea generator and to help, but to use it blindly without actually like checking it, that's a bit dangerous, I think.
Yeah, but also this was the questions that was asked. So like, can you write me an emails? Well, yeah, what freaking emails you want? How many of them? What are they about? What are you selling? What's the freaking call to action?
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Like, that's the actual question people asked.
I was thinking, you mean that's the prompt that was inside? Sorry, I got confused for a moment there.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like, can you get it to help you write emails? Oh, yes, you can.
Yes, you
but
can.
You're saying that's the actual...
That's the actual question.
All right. Oops.
Next actual question that people have been asking like by a ton of volume is, can I start a Shopify store with no money? So, okay.
Can I start a business with no money?
So, short question, yes you can, because you can get a trial for $1 or whatever that is. If you want a trial for Shopify, the latest affiliate over is below. But long answer, no, you cannot start business without any money. You can start with little money, but you cannot start with no money down. Like, that's stupid.
Next one, how do I scale my Shopify store?
Okay, first of all, if you have a Shopify store, you need to first start getting traffic, making sales, growing your store before you can scale it. Like whoever asked this question has clearly not sold any products because they would not be asking to scale. Like scale is such an overused term and it's always used by rookies. Yeah,
absolutely. Next one, can I use ChatGPT to write all of my product descriptions?
Yeah.
Yes, you can, but you need to be specific about what you ask for.
Yes.
Next one, how can I get free traffic to my Shopify store fast.
Ah, USA. All right, I'm gonna skip straight away to the next question. How do I rank number 1 on Google for my Shopify store? Okay, this is a great question. But you're gonna ask ChatGPT this question, it's gonna give you a high-level crappy response. But once again, like, you need a strategy, guys. It's not just magically gonna happen, okay?
I think people are looking for the easy apps. Like, just tell me the thing to do.
Just
and I'll
tell
do
me the
it. Tell me what
thing,
to do
how
and
to
I'll
rank.
do it.
Like right now, can I rank number 1 in 20 minutes? Well, sorry, no.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a legit SEO strategy, we've got a ton of content on that, and feel free to go and get it.
Great, on this channel. Go and check it out.
Yeah.
Next one, down to the final 3. What's the best theme for Shopify?
Yes. Once again, I mean, who the F asked this question? If you're asking what's the best theme on Shopify, then you're probably taking forever to launch your store because you are like trying to perfect everything. But it's like there is a theme that's inbuilt inside Shopify. It's called Dawn.
There's a few others as well.
Yeah. But the basic theme Dawn is gonna be good for you until you make your first $1 million. Like, you need to start thinking about what's the best theme. Once you like launched, made money, got some traffic, you know, all of those things.
Yeah, absolutely. Next one, final 2. How do I make 10K a month on Shopify? That's a good question.
And people ask this all the time. That's why there is a ton of shitty videos all over YouTube how to make $10,000, because this is
it's like the magical number.
This is apparently what people want to know. And so once again, you need strategies to work backwards, you know, to make $10,000 in revenue or in profit. Because if it's in revenue, then you need to understand how many products do I have to sell. Okay, how many products do I sell in one transaction, and so on and so forth.
What's the average order value?
Let's say you come to the magic number that you need 200 orders. So how am I going to get those 200 orders? Where I'm going to get the traffic from? I'm going to get the traffic from social media, let's say organic Google, from Pinterest, let's say from paid ads. So then you need a plan for that. So like, guys, just please start using your brain.
Yeah, I mean, ChatGPT can help, but it's not giving you the blueprint on a platter that you just run with it. It needs some human validation to bring it to life.
Yes.
Great. And the last one, the biggest one, how do I set up my Shopify store?
Guys, by volume, this is far the most asked question. How do you set up your Shopify store? I mean, okay. What do you think?
I think go and follow the instructions that are provided by Shopify.
Yeah.
And go from there.
If that's not enough, then we've got a ton of videos.
Yeah.
The whole internet has a ton of videos. But asking ChatGPT to do that, it almost makes me think that people asking this who are unable to like use Google or YouTube or like, I think you're really asking ChatGPT this question?
People looking for a shortcut. They're like, I don't want to read all the stuff, just give it to me. Just tell me the thing, tell me the thing, tell me the thing. I think that's what it is.
Yeah, but it's like, it's not going to do it for you.
It's not going to do it for you. You still have to do it. Yeah, you still need to understand what's actually going on. Great. All right, there's some terrible questions there.